How are you? Today I'll show you how to make this easy updo with a French twisted base. So begin by selecting a triangle section like I'm showing and bringing it upwards. We want to make a simple 3-strand braid. So basically this will be our detail for French twisted bun. Basically you want to braid until reaching the ends, securing it with a clear elastic. Then you want to tug on the edge of the braid, but just a little bit. Then gathering all our hair using a brush, you want to twist it lightly like making a French twist. Then grabbing some grips, we want to fix in place our French twist like so. Now we want to continue twisting the ends of our hair and tug on the edge of the twist and wrap it around, creating a bun shape, and tug here into the French twist the ends like so. Then you want to pin in place, creating a bun. Pull it a little bit to make it voluminous, and then grabbing our braid, we want to wrap it around the bun like so and tuck it into the twist the ends, pin it in place as well. You want to fix it in place and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this version of Fox's easy messy bun. Don't forget to like it, subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys, see you soon in my next video. Bye!